Hello everyone, welcome to 3DDesignAcademy.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to use the fill hole tool. Alright, so the tool is located over here and here on the palette, and if you prefer to use the puck, it is located over here. Now, as the name suggests, it is used to fill a hole. Now, there are multiple types of holes that you can fill, so let's go ahead and use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick the fill hole tool over here. Let's just go ahead and double click on it. And what I can do is when you see a hole like this, you can just click and it's going to automatically identify the shape and it's going to fill it. Now, it also works for a triangular hole like this. It doesn't have to be a quad and it just fills it. Now, what's interesting is when you have multiple sides. So right now I have a cylinder with 8 sides. So if I decide to use a fill hole tool, you can see that it actually creates a 3 quads and fills it in nicely. Now, what's interesting is the single face option. Now, if you click on this, you'll see that it gets an N-gon and it actually creates a pretty decent patch. However, this is only because this is planar. For most occasions, I do suggest that using multiple face so that it creates a quad so that it's a little bit cleaner. All right, so that is how to use the fill hole tool. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next lesson. Want to learn Autodesk Alias and digital sculpting? Then become a member at 3DDesignAcademy.com, where you'll find hundreds of video tutorials ranging from basics, including curve creations, intermediate level tutorials such as this wheel, all the way to Class A modeling of the entire car exterior. Interested? Visit 3DDesignAcademy.com.